welcome to Property Cloud. I'm Roshni and today I'm here at the arena at the Hiranandani Fortune City, a new launch project by the Hiranandani Group located just off Old Mumbai-Pune Highway Road. In this video, we will talk about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, sample flat and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. If we talk about the project overview, so Hiranandani Arena is a premium residential development by the trusted Hiranandani Group, known for quality construction, superior planning and integrated township living. Arena Phase 2 features well-designed 2, 3 and 4 BHK residences with scenic garden, clubhouse and expressway views, offering a perfect blend of comfort and lifestyle. And this project offers you sports-themed lifestyle apartments all within the well-planned township. Talking about the amenities, the project offers you 70% world-class lifestyle amenities like cricket field, jogging track, basketball court, swimming pool, gym and many more. Talking about the location advantages, so this project offers you excellent connectivity like National Highway 48 is just 1 km away. Reliance Foundation School is just 3.9 km away. The arena is the part of the Hiranandani Fortune City which offers you 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK apartments, price starting from 1.05 crore onwards. So now let's take a look at the sample flat. So this is the 4 BHK sample flat of the arena. As you step inside, you can see this foyer area which is quite spacious and you can keep here your shoe rack or you can decorate it. Right next to this, you can see this spacious living room which looks really pretty, and right next to this living area, you get here this 6 to 8 seater dining area which is perfect for family dinners and for guests. And the best part is this living room comes with this large attached balcony. And right next to this living area, you get this nice guest room which is perfect for your guests. And this place comes with this large window which gives you supernatural light and proper ventilation. And right outside this, you get this common washroom which looks really premium classy. And this washroom is perfect for your guest. And right next to this, you can see this kitchen. So this is your kitchen which comes with this L-shaped platform. Also you get here nice cabinets for your extra storage, and here is the space for your fridge. And this kitchen comes with this dry balcony which is perfect place for your washing machine, and here you get this window. And right next to this kitchen, let's go to the bedroom. So this is your kids' bedroom which comes with this attached washroom. And this kids' bedroom comes with this large floor-to-ceiling height windows which gives you natural light and proper ventilation. And right next to this, you can see this wardrobe space which is perfect for your kids. And right outside this bedroom, you can see this puja ghar which looks really very perfect. And next to this, you can see this large bedroom which comes with this attached washroom. Also here you get this wardrobe space and separate dressing area. And now let's take a look at the proper bedroom. So this looks very spacious which comes with this attached balcony. So this bedroom is spacious and thoughtfully designed to offer comfort and privacy. It easily accommodates a large bed along with the side tables and still feels open and airy. With good natural light, ventilation and access to a private balcony, the room creates a calm and relaxing atmosphere, making it an ideal personal space for everyday living. So now let's take a look at the 4th bedroom. So this apartment comes with a butterfly layout, and you have already seen these 3 bedrooms, and now let's take a look at the 4th bedroom. So this is your 4th bedroom which comes with this attached large window, and also you get here this perfect washroom. And here is the space for your wardrobe area, and this bedroom also looks really very spacious. So this was the 4 BHK sample flat of the arena. So if you like this video and want to know more about this project, do click on the link below so we will connect you in the further process. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more luxury property updates.